This video is about we are going to Costco. We opened an account and we wanted to make videos there, but they refused. They did not want us to do it. So instead, we show you a little bit of photos and then we're going to unpack the stuff that we bought and we will talk about it. And also we're going to taste it. Enjoy the video with us.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
I want to show you what did we buy today at Costco, and this was $150. So we're going to unpack it and show you at least. We wanted to make a video, but they did not allow us to make a video there. So yeah, let us see. Okay, we've been at Costco.
Costco.
All right, we've been at Costco today, and we applied for a membership because you need to be a member to buy stuff there. And we had a precious viewer again who sponsored our membership for us. Now, all this you see here on the table here, we bought it for $150. So the reason we make the video here is they did not allow us to make a video there in the shop. And that is the reason I don't make a lot of videos about groceries, because the people don't want us to take videos in the shop. So I'm going to tell you now, all this, I'm going to break it down. This milk, $3.22.
You have how much gallons?
Normally when you buy milk, it is 1 gallon. It is almost 4 liters. 1 gallon is almost 4 liters. And that is the kind of size you get the milk in here. Okay, this shampoo, let me see, where is the shampoo? The shampoo was $15 for the shampoo. The stir fry, the stir fry was $9.79 for the stir fry.
For how much ounce?
I don't know. 5.5 pound.
Oh.
5.5 pound. Okay, let me do that Joy Burst. That is like a cold drink. That was $20. And here you get it in nicely. $20 for this. And then this is a Worsie. We will taste it now and see what it tastes like. And the Wors, they call it Bratz. Bratz was $12 for this one.
How much is in there? Do they say on the box?
It's 3.5 pound. I think it's pork.
Yeah, it is pork.
It's pork, this one. But it's, I don't know how many is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. There's 14 Worsies inside here. Alright, then we bought this one to try them out. It's just like it's a green pepper. Green pepper was filled with stuff. $18.62 for this one. Then this meat is also pork. I do love my pork. And this one was $19.64 for the pork. And then we bought a lasagna in a box. This lasagna, let me see how much was the lasagna. This lasagna was $17. Did I say this one?
No,
This one is cold drink.
it's $12. $12.
$17. $17 for, it's like a cold drink. This one. And then this they call it
Woman slops.
Flip-flop. Flow man sandal.
That is a woman that you hold in your hand.
Flip-flop woman, yours
Mine
more
is
expensive.
Yours is more
It's
expensive.
$18.
Yours is.
Okay, this one $16 and this one is $18. And that is that. So in total, it was $149.54. Then the tax come with it, $7.89, and the whole batch thing was $157. So that is to give you an idea. You have to go to the membership to do a membership, and the membership costs $60.
Yeah, 65
$65
per year.
per year. And when you go for one member, then you get 2 cards. It means me and Eileen, we can go now there and go buy the stuff inside there. And they do have a food that you can buy there, like a restaurant when you're done or before you go. And we ate a hot dog for $1.something.
$25. And then you get a cool drink as well.
With a cool drink with it. You cannot believe it. I think that is the cheapest way you can find it. And it was actually a very nice hot dog. So I hope this will give you an idea for when you want to buy at Costco. I think we love that. We like that for Costco. Me and Eileen like it. So I think that it will see us much more. Okay, so. Did you know, hoekom is hier nou 4 van hulle? Een is verkeerd.
Nee, hierdie een moet ook by wees. Jy het hom nie bygesit nie. Jy het net die 3
So daar's 4 soorte.
Ja. Maar ek sit hulle nou weerskante so.
Oh. Ek sal dit maak.
Moet hulle kan sien, man. Hierdie is die elektrolyte. Hierdie is nie die elektrolyte nie. Gaan ons by daai begin.
Okay, here we're gonna test you the stuff I showed you in the video just now. We're gonna test it now.
Wat is hy?
So we always look for a zero sugar stuff and for some healthy stuff. That's what we always look for. So here in America, we've got a lot of different stuff, and the only way you can know how it is and how it tastes is by buying them and tasting them. That's the only way. So this one is a dragon fruit. So
I just want to hierdie Kirkland Costco, it's a Costco brand. It's not another brand. Costco makes this brand. So yeah, and it is a zero sugar one, they say. We don't know. And then it's a dragon fruit and we're gonna taste it.
Yeah, I don't know, these grocery stores and these stores, why they don't want us to make films, video inside them, because it's free advertising for them. So yeah. I would say this is tasting like water with a little bit of sugar in. You can taste a little bit of the dragon, but
It is actually water with vitamins and I think a little bit of the sugar something in. They say it's no sugar, so yeah, I don't know.
this would be like what's power?
Hierdie.
You know.
Oh
Probably.
yeah, it's
I would say this is tasting like Powerade. lemonade, a little bit of a lemonade taste in it.
I like this one more than that one.
Okay,
I can't compare it with something. Only Powerade is in the nearest.
the nearest to compare it with.
Yes.
And this is a blueberry. Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Oh, that's okay. I like that one more.
I like this one more.
Let's see this one. This one is a mango. I hope I'm in the video. Let me just check if I'm in the video. Yeah, it looks like it.
It's a tropical mango.
I don't like this.
I can't decide if I like, but I like this one the most.
This one is the Joy packet you saw that was lying there on the table.
This is the one with the electrolytes in.
Yeah, electrolytes and vitamins.
This one is water and vitamins. It tastes like that. This is also have water in, I think.
This is a strawberry and a lemonade. That's okay.
I like actually this more than that ones. But this one is from this side. This one is good.
Watermelon. It's okay. It's okay also.
Not bad. That one I like. I tasted yesterday.
It's okay too.
If I have to say what I would choose this ones or this ones, I will rather choose this ones. But this ones is more expensive than this ones. So yeah, but I like this more than this.
Okay, I don't know if it's more expensive, but anyway, I
know
do
that
like
is-
them also more. I hope this helped you. When we were at Costco yesterday and we could take that fountain free drink, we used, what was the mix?
It's a lemonade and then Sprite.
When you're at the fountain, just something to take when you're there. You can mix them. You can take your cup and you can take a little bit of this and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So Peter, he showed us to show, what was it?
The lemonade.
A little bit of lemonade and then the rest of Sprite. And
Yes.
I must say that was
tasty.
nice for
Actually,
me.
I tasted at the rodeo. One of our friends had the combination, and I tasted and I like it a lot. And then when Peter also do that yesterday, and I said, but I'm gonna do it also, and that was really nice to mix the two of them.
Yeah, I
So,
think we did not speak about Peter in the video. Peter is here for 30 years from South Africa. He came here before the
Long before the rest.
before the ANC was.
It was
in
a year
power.
before the ANC took power.
But anyway, I'm gonna show you just his view he's got from his house. It's amazing. That's the only part I'm gonna show you there.
Yeah.
It just shows you there is beautiful places in America, and America is so big. And like I said, the opportunities are very, very much more here than what it is in South Africa. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember to hit that like button. It
Yes.
helps a lot.
A heart for everyone.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Ja.
Meet Sadie, our tiny teacup Yorkie with a big personality. She lives for treats, her playtime, and being right by our side. We're trying to bring her with us to the USA, and any support, whether it's a donation or even just a prayer, would really mean everything to us. If you'd like to help or learn more, please click the link in the description. And thank you so much, Happy Foreigners, for supporting us through this journey.